Here I have ALCATEL free, and let me show you how to use Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me show you how to quickly enable Do Not Disturb. Let's use upper bar twice, swipe to the left, and let's tap on Do Not Disturb. Right now we are using the alarms only, but if you use this arrow right here, you can see that you can switch your Do Not Disturb to the total silence, so this block all sounds and vibrations. You can also choose priority only, so you won't be disturbed by sounds and vibrations except from alarms, reminders, events and other customized rules. And of course you can also go back to alarms only. You can also set up the time, so you can switch on Do Not Disturb for an hour, for 2 hours or for any other period of time, or you can just choose Do Not Disturb until you turn it off. So basically that's it. Let me tap done. As you can see, the icon of Do Not Disturb is right here, but for now let me disable this mode. And you may also find the Do Not Disturb in settings, so let me do it. Let's tap apps icon, find and select the settings. From the list of settings, let's find and select sound. Here you should find Do Not Disturb right here, Do Not Disturb preferences, and here you can customize your priority rules. So let me tap it, and here you can enable messages and calls from some favorite contacts or from other group of people. You can also handle with reminders and events, and you can enable the repeat callers. So basically that's it, everything is right here. If you go back, you can also choose some automatic rules to switch on Do Not Disturb every weekend, every weeknight, every event, or you can add some customized rule. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.